हाँ जी, गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास. Hope so you all are good. Okay, in last class we have done the book work of soil chapter. Today we are going to discuss the very short and short question answers of this chapter. Okay, there's a first very short 1 mark question. Define weathering. We have to tell what is weathering, or you can say what is the definition of weathering. What do you understand by weathering? Let's say what is weathering? The process of formation of soil from bedrock is called weathering. What is weathering? Weathering is the process of formation of soil from the bedrocks is called weathering. Okay, Raze? So what is the definition of weathering? Weathering is the process of formation of soil. In which soil is formed? Why all soil is formed from the bedrock, from the breakdown of the bedrocks. Okay, is called weathering. Okay, Raze? Weathering क्या है? एक प्रोसेस है in which soil is formed from the bedrocks. Okay. The second question, what do you understand by nitrogen fixation? What is nitrogen fixation, or you can say we can say what do you understand by nitrogen fixation? कहते हैं nitrogen fixation meaning the process in which some bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds which can be used by the plants. Meaning it is a process in which atmospheric nitrogen that is present into the N2 form is converted into nitrogenous compounds, meaning in form of nitrites and nitrates. We call this process nitrogen fixation. Okay, Raze? And which you can say some bacteria, which organism help in this process. Some bacteria, especially we can say cyanobacteria, azotobacteria. There are so many. Rhizobium is the main bacteria that help in the nitrogen fixation, that present mostly in the root nodules of leguminous plants. Okay, Raze? So clear, nitrogen fixation meaning the process in which some bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds. We call it nitrogen fixation. This nitrogen is used by these nitrogenous compounds are used by the plants. You know, plants cannot use direct nitrogen that is present in N2 form. You can say plants cannot use atmospheric form of nitrogen. Atmospheric form of nitrogen. They just use nitrogenous compounds like you can say like nitrates and nitrites. Okay, okay. Next हमारे पास क्या है? Which soil horizon is rich in humus? We have to just tell the name of the soil organ that is rich soil horizon, or you can say soil layer that is rich in the humus. The soil horizon that is rich in the humus is A horizon. The soil horizon that is rich in the humus is A horizon, or you can say top soil is humus rich soil. A horizon is humus rich, so that plants can easily grow. They can get water, essential nutrients, and the roots of plants pass from the firmly attached to the A horizon. It helps in the proper growth of the plant due to the presence of humus. Okay, Raze? Next हमारे पास क्या है? What do you mean by humus? Okay. In last question we study about in which soil humus is present, and next class is about humus. Define the humus, or you can say what do you mean by humus, or what is humus? Humus क्या है हमारे पास? Humus is formed from the remains of dead and decaying plants and animals. What is humus? Humus is a substance that formed from the remains of dead and decaying plants and animals. Humus हमारे पास क्या है? जो वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है, डेड मटेरियल होता है, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स का रिमेन्स होता है, उससे क्या है? ऑब्टेन होता है. ओके, वैसे नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है? डिफाइन सॉइल कंजर्वेशन. व्हाट इज सॉइल कंजर्वेशन, और व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सॉइल कंजर्वेशन? प्रिवेंशन ऑफ द सॉइल ओरिजिन. सॉइल कंजर्व करना क्या होता है राजे? व्हेन वी हैव टू सेव समथिंग, वी वांट वी कैन यूज दैट इन फ्यूचर. दैट इज मतलब हम उसे कंजर्व कर रहे हैं, उसे सेव कर रहे हैं अपने फ्यूचर के लिए. सो सॉइल कंजर्वेशन मीनिंग सॉइल कंजर्वेशन मीनिंग प्रिवेंशन ऑफ सॉइल erosion is called soil conversion. How we prevent soil erosion so that soil can't get right by any type of wind, flowing water. How we can protect or how we can save soil for the future use. We call that soil conservation. Here we just use term prevention of soil erosion. We all study about the soil erosion in our last class. Okay, Razik? जी, तो 5 वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और यू कैन से 1 मार्क क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था रजे? वेदरिंग. सेकंड हमने क्या किया था? नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. एंड थर्ड हमने क्या किया था? विच हॉरिजन इज रिच इन द ह्यूमस. फोर्थ हमने क्या किया? What do you mean by humus or you can say definition of the humus. Next हमने क्या किया? Soil conservation. Okay, 5 questions. I hope you all understood these question answers and I think you write down on your notebooks. Okay, next I am going to turn on the short type question answers that you can say 2 mark question answers. So the first question: how are living organisms important for improving soil fertility? How we can say living organisms play an important role in increasing or you can say in improving soil's fertility. Okay, Razil. Okay, we have to answer these questions. So with some examples. First we took example. First I am going to explain with the help of example of earthworms. जैसे earthworms burrow into the soil. Soil में वो छोटी छोटी burrow बनाते हैं. Swallow it and make it loose. So soil texture is improved in this manner. वो जैसे ही क्या है soil में छोटी छोटी burrow करते रहते हैं और soil को swallow और soil को क्या है swallow करते रहते हैं. That soil it makes soil porous meaning as it porous हो जाते हैं. So it increases the texture of the soil. So it increases the texture of the soil. And next हमारे पास क्या है? Second question क्या है? Second example क्या है? Bacteria and fungi help in the decomposition of dead and animal waste. So this is also helpful in increasing soil fertility. Bacteria and fungi help in the decomposition, meaning they decompose all the waste material that is present in the you can say soil. So that when waste material is decomposed by bacteria and fungi, soil gets some nutrients, minerals also that plants use for their future for their growth and future developments, meaning that nutrients are helpful for the growth of plants. So how these nutrients are you can say are replenished in the soil by the decomposition of dead and decaying matter. And bacteria and fungi meaning some microorganisms help in the or some organisms, living organisms help in the decomposition of the dead and decomposition of the dead and decaying matter of plants as well as animals. Okay Razi. So next हमारे पास क्या है? Second question है how is clay soil useful for the crops. जो हमारे पास clay soil होती है why it is useful for the plants and how we can say this type of soil is useful for the plants or useful for the crops, especially for the crops. Firstly क्या है? It has good water retaining capacity because the water holding capacity or you can say water retaining capacity of the clay soil is good. So it is good for the growth of plants. Second point, it has a rich amount of humus because in case of clay soil the humus is present in the rich amount. A lot of humus is present in the clay soil. If humus is present in the rich amount, then it's sure the soil is more fertile. That you can say that is helpful for the proper growth of the plants. Okay, next हमारे पास क्या है? Third question, write short note on how soil is formed. हमने बिल्कुल brief में ही बताना है. Short note क्या होता है? You have to just answer in the brief. How soil is formed. Soil is formed by the process of weathering. First हमने line में clear कर दिया. How soil is formed. Soil is formed by the process of weathering, the breakdown of the rocks by the action of wind, ice, temperature is called weathering. Firstly हमने क्या बताया? How soil is formed. How soil is formed by the weathering. Now we have to define what is weathering. वेदरिंग क्या है रजे? द ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ द रॉक्स बाय द विंड, आइस, टेम्परेचर, वी कॉल दैट प्रोसेस वेदरिंग। ओके रजे। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन कहते रजिया कंडक्टेड एन एक्सपेरिमेंट इन फील्ड रिलेटेड टू द रेट ऑफ पर्कुलेशन। सी ऑब्जर्व दैट इट टुक 40 मिनट्स फॉर 200 milliliter of water to percolate through the soil sample. रजिया आप टुक द एक्सपेरिमेंट, रजिया ने अपने, रजिया लगा लीजिए, किसी और का नेम ले लीजिए क्लास में से, मान लो विशाली ने, तनवीर ने, एनीवन जस्ट कंडक्ट अ एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ पर्कुलेशन टू चेक द पर्कुलेशन रेट ऑफ द सॉइल। व्हाट शी डिड, उसने क्या किया कि हम 40 मिनट्स में जो वाटर को क्या है जैसे पर्कुलेशन रेट चेक करने के लिए देखा, तो कितना वाटर उसने क्या पर्कुलेट करवाया, पास करवाया, 200 milliliter water. How we check percolation rate? There is a formula, the amount of water divided by the percolation time. जितने टाइम में वाटर पास किया, पहले जितना हमने वाटर यूज किया, डेट इज जितना उसने वाटर यूज किया 200 ml, कितने टाइम में किया रजे? 40 मिनट्स। ओके, 1 के साथ 1 गया 5, सो आंसर क्या आ गया? 5 मिलीलीटर पर मिनट, मिलीलीटर पर मिनट। ओके, मीनिंग 1 मिनट में कितना वाटर पर्कुलेट हुआ सॉइल में से? 5 मिलीलीटर। ओके, पर मिनट की निकाली है ना हमने। ओके रजे, क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट रजे शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ 3 मार्क्स और फॉर 3 मार्क्स। फर्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है? हाउ इज सॉइल इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द प्लांट्स? हाउ यू कैन से सॉइल इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द प्लांट्स? Because plants use soil for growth. Plants can grow only in soil. Okay. Second क्या है? Plants use soil for the fixing of their roots firmly. देखो, how plants fix their root? They fix their root in the soil, or you can say with the help of soil. Okay, रजे नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या? थर्ड पॉइंट क्या आ गया? Plants use soil for absorbing water and nutrients that are helpful for their growth. Meaning plants absorb water where from? Soil. Plants absorb nutrients from the soil. So these are the 3 points के why soil is important for the plants. This is the reason why soil is important for the plants. Next हमारे पास क्या है? Write the properties of sandy soil. Okay, what are the properties of the sandy soil? What are the properties of the sandy soil? Okay, first क्या है? वाटर रिटेंशन इज पुअर, मीनिंग वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी सैंडी सॉइल के केस में क्या है? पुअर है। इट लैक्स ह्यूमस, ह्यूमस क्या है? इसमें क्या है? कम अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होता है। इट इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स। सी पॉइंट हमारे पास क्या आ गया? इट इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट्स। थर्ड रजे क्वेश्चन हमारे पास क्या है? राइट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लोएमी सॉइल। राइट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लोएमी सॉइल। तो फर्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है? फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या आ जाएगा? इट हैज हाई ह्यूमस कंटेंट। जो हमारे पास लोएमी सॉइल है, इट हैज हाई ह्यूमस कंटेंट। इट इज गुड फॉर द कल्टीवेशन, कल्टीवेशन के लिए गुड है। इट इज पोर्स एंड कंटेन सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एंड एयर। ओके रजे, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द 3 मार्क क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट क्या है? हमने 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया, डिस्कस और 2 मार्क्स एंड 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन रजे। होप सो यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस एंड मे यू राइट देन इट ऑन योर notebooks. Okay, still if you have any problem you can message or call me anytime. I will also forward this PPT or PDF to you when you have completed your work. Okay Raze, thank you, have a good day.